this is Sam, the Frugal Hooga Gardener. Today is welding day. I have my welder out and all set up. Just got to tweak it. I have a canopy that I'm going to set up because this is Florida and it's been really hot and we've been having afternoon thunder showers. So hopefully this will keep the sun off of me and a little sprinkle. But I would like to keep my welder in there, so if we do get a quick downpour, the welder is in there. I'll move it to the back. Everything out here, I'll just put a tarp over it, and this should protect it. So with that said, let me go ahead and finish setting up. I got all my tools out, and I'm going to get a bucket, fill it up with degreaser, and degrease the new tubing because they have a oily film on it. And then I'm going to weld. This is an enclosed car hauler tailgate. They made it good, but I'm going to double it up. I'm not removing the tubing. I'm going to butt up new tubing against it, which is going to make the door more than twice as heavy. I already lifted it up, put it on a scale. It's 175 pounds. I ordered 185 pound spring assist. So I removed my spring assist. I'm putting a double on there. And once all the metal's on here, once the wood's on here, it should raise nice and easily. Because you don't want to lift at the end over here, 185 pound lift, that's where the scale was, all the time. That's a lot. That could throw you back out and everything else. So let me get to work on this. So that was fun. I set up this canopy. It's a really nice canopy. It's by Easy Up. I only put it up one level. It goes a lot higher, but I only need it so I can walk under it because I want the shade down below. I don't need it to be real high. This is what the inside looks like. So it's going to be shady but hot. So in there, I'm going to set up power and 2 blower fans so I stay a little bit drier because it's so humid and you're just soaking wet all day. And you want the fumes to blow away from you. So let me get all that set up. Okay, so before I weld on the tubing, which I welded on all these, I just have this to do. I take my grinder and grind the top, the bottom, the sides, all the way around. That's taking off any surface rust or oxidation and making a good welding surface. Plus, when I get ready to prime all this, it will be sanded. So I'm doing each one as I go, then I'm lifting up the tailgate and I'm doing the bottom side.